There's something uniquely satisfying about breathing new life into a vintage tool, a piece of history that's seen decades of hard work, now hidden beneath layers of rust and neglect. Today, we embark on a journey to restore such a forgotten relic, using the unmatched power and precision of USA-made carbide burrs. Our subject is a cast-iron wrench, its surface marred by years of oxidation, its edges dulled and worn, and its once proud brand name all but invisible. At first glance, it might seem destined for the scrap heap, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, this wrench is about to reclaim its former glory. The first step in any restoration is assessment. We examine the wrench closely, noting areas where rust has bitten deepest and where the metal remains sound. The goal is not just to create a shiny surface, but to preserve as much of the original material as possible, honoring the craftsmanship of a bygone era. Enter the carbide burrs. Unlike traditional abrasives, carbide burrs are crafted from ultra-hard tungsten carbide, making them ideal for cutting, shaping, and smoothing even the toughest metals. Their durability means they stay sharp longer, resist loading, and deliver a cleaner, more controlled finish. That's especially important with vintage tools, where precision matters. With the tool secured, we fit a coarse carbide burr into the rotary tool. As the spinning burr meets the rusted surface, flakes of oxidation lift away with surprising efficiency. The carbide's cutting action is fast but not aggressive. It removes rust without gouging or overheating the underlying steel. We work methodically across the surface, revealing the solid metal beneath. Already, the transformation is underway. Next, we switch to a finer burr for detail work, addressing pitted areas and smoothing rough edges. This is where carbide burrs truly excel. Their range of shapes and sizes lets us reach into tight corners, follow complex contours, and refine intricate details. The spinning tool hums with a satisfying sound, and fine metal shavings dust the workbench, a testament to the burr's effectiveness. With the rust banished, it's time to restore the wrench's edges. Years of use have left them uneven and dull, but a few careful passes with a cylindrical burr bring them back into crisp alignment. The tool feels solid and purposeful once more, its function restored along with its form. Now for a personal touch, engraving a custom logo. Here, the carbide burr's precision shines. Using a small pointed burr, we carefully etch a new mark onto the tool's surface, a nod to its rebirth and a unique identifier for future generations. The engraving is clean and permanent, a testament to both the tool's durability and the quality of the carbide burr. Finally, we wipe away residue and apply a protective oil, enhancing the wrench's natural patina. The transformation is striking. Where once there was only rust and decay, now there is polished steel, crisp lines, and a sense of pride restored. Carbide burrs make all the difference in this process. Their toughness, longevity, and versatility set them apart from other rotary tools, allowing for delicate restoration without sacrificing efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned restorer or a DIY enthusiast, investing in quality, USA-made carbide burrs means you're equipped for any challenge, big or small. Restoring vintage tools isn't just about aesthetics, it's about preserving history, honoring craftsmanship, and making something old usable again. With the right approach and the right tools, even the most neglected relic can shine once more. And when you hold the finished wrench in your hand, you don't just see a tool, you see a story, renewed and ready to be told for years to come. Use our coupon code below to get 10% off your order.